Hey viewer, I hope you're doing well. We're in the fifth month of the year 2024. Thank you so much to my returning supporters, returning viewers, returning subscribers. Thank you for choosing to stay tuned on this channel. For those who are new here, I go by the name Sarah Ayuma, the oral nutritionist. Many know me by the name Sarah, many know me by the name Ayuma, and many know me by the name nutritionist. We discuss life matters, physical matters, psychological matters, social matters, spiritual matters, um, occupational matters, and every matters concerning having a healthy human being inside out. I'm also on YouTube. Please go there and subscribe to my channel and support it. And God will bless you. So today I'm really moved by this, floods that are happening in Kenya. And sometimes we can be too busy as Kenyans just talking about them and not doing anything about them. Sometimes even making fun of the people who've chosen to, do the smallest thing that they can to help out. And my viewer, I would encourage you to be that person, to be that miracle, to that person who's been affected by these floods, because you never know where the shoe pinches the most until you really experience these things. And sometimes let's just stop talking a bit and act more. Like let's speak with our actions, because silence is an ocean and talking is a river. When the ocean is looking for you, don't go walking in the river. Listen to the ocean. Silence is an ocean and talking is a river. When the ocean is looking for you, don't go walking in the river. Listen to the ocean. Let's stop making fun of this, Kina Eric Omondi who are trying to get boats. And let's not wait for big opportunities. So let's say maybe Unilever or these NGOs are looking for people to help out. You can be your brother's miracle. That little thing that you can do, you can change a life, you can encourage someone, you can help a family that is being affected by these floods just by choosing to be that person's miracle in real actions. I don't believe in speaking or encouraging someone who is hungry. Remember, even Jesus was decided to feed those people who were hungry using the fish and the loaves of bread. He would have chosen to encourage them the way some of us Christians do. But he chose to take action and ask the Father to multiply that which he was holding in his hands so that he can feed them that were hungry. So even in this situation, let us help when we can. Let us help these families that are in need. Let us stop, making fun of people like Eric Omondi who are taking boats and helping people, and we've not done something about it. Hiyo kidogo yako, even if you don't afford a boat, you can afford something to help out. Let's stop be Kenyans who are just making fun of situations and people who are taking initiative to change lives or help out. Let us be on the front line of helping these people. Because today you might be laughing at someone and tomorrow ikuja ikupate ni wewe. Upatikane. Vizuri sana. What will you do then? Let us practice what we preach. Or let us not even, let's just act. Let us show it with our actions more than we do it with our speeches, our lips. Because we are someone's miracle. Remember, silence is an ocean. And speech or talking is like a river. When the ocean is looking for you, don't waste your time walking in the river. Learn to listen to the ocean. That's it from me. Stay tuned for my next amazing video. God bless.